If you would have asked me, I would have been like, no way. We're not going to put video on a ship for the Disney Destiny Christening. Like, that's not going to be a thing. One of the biggest challenges with any projection show that we do, whether it be Cinderella Castle, Tree of Life, is this is not a flat surface. What's unique about this is it's huge. It's absolutely enormous. We're talking about a cruise ship. This is something we've never done before. It's absolutely crazy. And then we have to think about, what are we trying to say with our show? The ship theme is heroes and villains. So this idea of how do we showcase that story? We use that with our art that we create, and then bring that into our animations to have this dichotomy of the good versus the bad kind of feeling, and to bring that to life for everyone who's watching.
From the time that we got the idea of what the show and what IPs we're going to use, we started sitting down and talking about how we can really showcase that. The canvas is very stretched wide and very narrow, but we were able to come up with just different ideas that we can put into concepts. For instance, when we were creating Pirates, which I'm doing here, we landed on one that just uses a painterly style. There's going to be a lot of kinetic energy coming from the animation. So I thought that maybe like brushstrokes, paint splatters would work really well with that style. We had to really think about how to approach Frozen, because it was going to be a backdrop to a really rock style version of the song. We reference a lot of concerts and looked at what's happening behind them. They do a lot of lasers, a lot of screens with cool designs on it. So we just wanted to take that as inspiration and create a Frozen theme from that, and back the singers and the band in a way that complements what they're doing.
Not only is there a challenge where we have to project on this enormous thing, we haven't got to see it in real life, so we have to bring it into a popular video game engine and basically see things in a semi-real environment, as real as we can get it. We are here in Fort Lauderdale at Port Everglades, the home of the Disney Destiny. And tonight what we're doing is we're going to be testing things on the ship. We have a couple of things that we want to check out. We want to look at color. We've added some other effects here on site. So here we go. We're about to go test it and get everything into position. We just watched the show and I am grinning. I don't think I can stop grinning. We have such a fabulous team of everyone involved with the whole entire show. So if you like what you saw here, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And yeah, until the next time.